Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna look at how to use WH family words in English. I think that video will make you to ask questions in English very fluently. So I request you to watch the full video till the end to improve in your English efficiency and spoken English. And one more thing, if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel for get notified when I post a new video. So without further delay, let's start the video. So first of all, we know about WH words when. When to use when. When it is used to ask about time. It is used to ask about time. For example, when did he come? When did he come? When will you go to shopping? When will you go to shopping? In these questions, we are asking about time with when. Next, we will know about how. When to use how. It is used in two ways. Number one, to ask the manner. To ask the manner. And number two, to ask about condition or quality. To ask about condition or quality. For example, how does the plan work? How does the plan work? Number two, how was your maths exam today? How was your maths exam today? And one more thing, how is also used with adjective or adverbs to ask about the degree or extent to which something is done. How is also used with adjective or adverbs to ask about the degree or extent to which something is done. For example, how much effort will you take for that? How much effort will you take for that? Number two, how many people are coming in that party? How many people are coming in that party? Number three, how long will you take to reach there? How long will you take to reach there? Next, why? When to use why? Why it is used to ask a reason or for making a suggestion. It is used to ask a reason or for making a suggestion. Let's see those examples. Why are you late? Why are you late? Number two, why are your other copies missing? Why are your other copies missing? And when to use what? What it is used to ask for information about something, or it can be for repetition or it can be confirmation of the information. Also it is used for asking reasons. For example, what did you say? What did you say? Next, what are you looking for? What are you looking for? Next, that is where. When we need to use where, it is used to ask for the place or location. It is used to ask for the place or location. See those examples. Where do you live? Where do you live? Next, that is where have you find the documents? Where have you find that documents? After that, we will know about when to use which. Which it is used to ask the choice. For example, which one do you like? Which one do you like? Next, which is your lucky number? Which is your lucky number? Next, we will know about when to use whose. Whose it is used to ask about ownership. It is used to ask about ownership. For example, whose car is this? Whose car is this? Next, that is whose book is this? Whose book is this? Next, that is whom. Whom is used to ask what or which person or people. It's always an object in a sentence. For example, whom did you want to meet? Whom did you want to meet? Next, that is to whom did you give the book? To whom did you give the book? Next and the last one, that is who. Who. Who it is used to ask what or which person or people. It is a subject to a verb in sentences. It's a subject, but whom we have learned that is an object. Examples with who. Who is calling me? Who is calling me? Next, who is that girl in that picture? Who is that girl in that picture? Now I will make you understand with examples that how to convert the sentences to WH questions format. Number 1, that is, he is the best singer in the class. He is the best singer in the class. How to convert it in a WH question format sentence or interrogative sentence? That will be, who is the best singer in the class? Who is the best singer in the class? Now you can ask me why we use who in this sentence. We used who here because we learn about who is used to ask what or which person or people. So in the sentence, he is the best singer in the class. For this in question, we will want to know who is the best singer. We will ask about the person. For this, we use who here. Who is the best singer in the class? Next example, that is, I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus. How to convert it with WH framing words or interrogative sentence? The answer will be, how do you go to school? How do you go to school? We have used how here because we learned about how it is used about condition or quality or to ask the manner how it is happening. How did you go to school? Next example, that is, she studies in class 11. She studies in class 11. We will change it by using which. In which class does he study? In which class does he study? After that, next sentence, we live on the big half moon island. We live in the big half moon island. We will convert it using where. Where do we live? Where do we live? Going to the next example, that is, he had quarreled with his brother and left home. He had quarreled with his brother and left home. We will convert it using whom. Whom. The answer will be, with whom he had quarreled and left home. With whom he had quarreled and left home. Next one, that is, we are going to the zoo. We are going to the zoo. We will replace it using which. Which place are we going to? Which place are we going to? After that, they are singing. For this, we are getting bored. They are singing. For this, we are getting bored. We will replace it using why. Why are we getting bored by them? Why are you getting bored by them? Next, that is, his pen is on the table. His pen is on the table. In answer, we can say, whose pen is on the table? Whose pen is on the table? Next, that is, Rima's dress make me laugh. Rima's dress make me laugh. We can use what. What makes you laugh? What makes you laugh? After that, this blue pen is mine. This blue pen is mine. We can use which. Which is your pen? Which is your pen? Next sentence. He was late due to poor traffic. He was late due to poor traffic. We can use why. Why was he late? Why was he late? Next, it happened 10 years ago. It happened 10 years ago. We can use when. When did it happen? When did it happen? After that, our office is at College Street. Our office is at College Street. We can use where. Where is your office? Where is your office? And the last one, that is I am 29 years old. I am 29 years old. We can use how here. How old are you? How old are you? Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you have cleared your all doubts about the WH framing words, or now you can make our exercise about this topic that clear your all doubts forever. And if you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment box, then I will answer you with my best. So stay connected with me for getting these kinds of English learning videos more. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for all updates. Thanks for watching.